moderator Sri Chilian Varghese, organizer Sri A.P. Thomas, my co-organizational leaders, my dear fellow men. The International Association of Lions Clubs was founded in 1917 by Melvin Jones in Chicago. The organization has grown up to the level where it stands now as the world's largest service organization, spread over 202 countries in 45,000 clubs and 13 lakhs members in service. In Kerala, we have 5 districts, 375 clubs and 11,700 members. At the core of Lions Clubs International is the mission of service. The 1.3 million Lions around the world are united in common ideal we serve. Through our association, Lions are able to provide service, help and hope to millions of people around the globe. In 1952, Helen Keller challenged the Lions to be the Knights of the Blind, which the Lions have taken in full spirit. Now we are the leaders in restoration and preservation of sight, and the most efficient blindness prevention program, SightFirst, is the Lions Clubs International flagship Insight initiative. SightFirst is the only common program or common service actively promoted by the Lions throughout the world, making it the critical and the well-known part of our association. Through SightFirst program, Lions restore vision through cataract surgeries, prevent blindness through distribution of medicine, and provide medical care through Lions Eye Hospitals. We are proud to say that in the past, we could restore vision for 13 million people, and we could conduct 7.5 million cataract surgeries. In 1968, Lions Clubs International Foundation, the funding arm of our association, it has granted assistance to Lions Clubs and districts with humanitarian projects too large for the Lions to handle themselves. LCIF has collected $600 million from the Lions as well as the public, and we have funded projects, 9,000 projects worth $650 million. For tsunami alone, we have provided $15 million, and LCIF is rated as the best NGO funding organization in the world. This year, our district, which comprises of revenue districts of Kottayam, Pathanamthitta and part of Alleppey, are planning to construct 100 houses and provide educational assistance to the tune of 25 to 30 lakhs, and also to provide environment protection program. And our first environment protection program was at the Kottayam District Hospital, where we have constructed a waste management system and a biogas plant. We plan to plant 1,000 bamboo saplings, a special research product which a plant can absorb 500 kilograms of carbon dioxide and emit 350 kilograms of oxygen per plant per year. Many of our clubs are doing permanent service projects, and one of them to note down is the Lions Icon Center managed by our Kottayam Lions Club. We are very proud that we are Lions, not just because we are the world's largest organization in number, but also the world's largest service organization as well. Thank you very much for providing this platform, and I welcome you all to this discussion. Thank you very much.